It's Extreme Beauty Factor here. I'm coming to y'all with another video. I just came in from eating dinner with my husband, so I said, let me jump on here and get the, do my review, well, the unboxing of Boxy Charm. I know it's at the end of the month. I know I'm a little late, but better late than never. So I'm just gonna come on here and tell y'all quickly what's in this in the Boxy Charm for the month of April. So let's get started, okay? We got some good stuff this time. Okay, let's see. As usual, it comes in this box, and then they, I done saw some of the stuff and kind of used some of it too. And it came with the Boxy Charm. The card is different this time, y'all. It's got this Boxy Charm. I like the way they did this time. And it's called Eye Candy. And there you go. See that, y'all? It's Eye Candy. And then it's got all the rest of the stuff that is in the box this time. Okay. Got my phone with me so I can add up everything. Let me get to the calculator. So let's see. As I go, I can add up how much everything costs. This is the fun part to let y'all guys know. Okay, first I'm gonna go with this right here is MAC. Y'all, MAC is expensive. Yeah, and we getting a lipstick in here. It's MAC Cosmetics, and the lipstick this time, what color is this? It's a Diagnosis. I think it's a Diagnosis. I hope I'm saying it right. And this is the color. I like the packaging. It's MAC, and it's a lipstick. I don't know, what is it, matte? Is it matte? It doesn't say what kind it is, but anyway, look at this color, y'all. That's beautiful. I'm gonna swatch it for you right quick. See that? It's kind of like a burgundy. It looked brown in the packaging, but it came out burgundy. I think it's very beautiful. I love it. At this moment, I couldn't wear lipstick for a moment because I don't know what was going on with my lips or whatever. I had to get something to, I don't know, y'all. It was just crazy. But I can't wait to wear this. And this right here costs a whopping $21. Y'all should know, MAC. If y'all know anything about cosmetics and makeup and stuff from MAC, it's expensive. So $21. Add that, that's one. And y'all, we got a Color Pop. I love Color Pop. Color Pop palette in here. And this one is the Element of Surprise palette. And it's got, oh, I didn't know I had the things on the back. It's got the color of the shadows. I'm gonna take it out and I'll name them for you. It's the packaging. Oh, it's got it on the back of here. That's how it looks. Element of Surprise, Color Pop. Then it's got the name of the shadows on the back right here for y'all guys. And this is the palette. I really love the palette. See those colors? And the color right here is called, what is it? Rayon. And the next one here is Silk Street. This one right here is called Late Night. This one right here is Feels. And this one over here is Go With The Flow. And this one right here is Subdue. And this one right here, what's it? Opulent. I think this is this anything to do with Peace of Mind, Details, Sea Stars. It's got all different names on here, y'all. I'm trying to figure out why would they call it Element of Surprise, but I don't know. But anyway, I like it. All these different colors. You can do so many different looks with this. I did try a couple of them, and I really like the palette. It's really, I'm gonna swatch a few of them and let you see how pigmented it is. See those colors? Those are pretty. I'm not gonna go all down for it, because I ain't want to prolong this video. But this is what's in here, and this palette is cost $16. You know, ColourPop it's not that expensive, but just to get one in here, It's awesome. Plus 16. All right, we're going on down the line. All right, y'all. This is Dr. Brandt. I get a lot of these in there, and Dr. Brandt is not cheap, and it's supposed to be a good product. I heard it's not cruelty free. A lot of people don't like using Dr. Brandt because of that situation. I use some of them. This one right here is called Pour No More. It's vacuum cleaner. It's a mask, a purifying mask, a pore purifying mask. And this is it right here. And this is supposed to be the full size. And this full size for Dr. Brandt is a whopping $47. Now, if I had to just walk in the store or go order online for Dr., I would not be buying. No. 47. I'm adding to the total, y'all. Okay. Next, I got this is the Brow Gal. Yeah, Brow Gal. The Brow Gal. Say that too fast, you can't get it. And it's a instant. But you know what? This is not my color. For one, I haven't opened it yet because it's so. Let me see. I haven't opened it yet, y'all. But the ones that I seen that they was putting in the palettes and stuff like that is not everybody's color. I can't get in, but you can kind of see that's a little too light for my eyebrows. That's, you know, I can't even use this. But I heard that this brow gel is very, very good. I wouldn't mind trying to order this and get the right color and try it out and go from there. But this is not gonna do me any good, but make my eyebrows look funny, I think. But I'm gonna try it out and see. I haven't tried yet, so I'm not gonna knock it till I try. But right now, what I'm seeing, that's too light for me. But this right here is cost $22 for this. $22 plus. That's okay. And the next thing that I got is a brush duo. And this brush is SL Miss Glam. And these are the brushes right here. I tried them. I love them. They're real soft. I like the details on it. It's got the little diamonds right here. They're little pink. They're pink. This one has the purple. Is it purple? Yeah, purple diamonds on here. And it got on here. It doesn't say anything on here. It just say Boxy Charm. And let's see what else it says. Yeah, Miss Glam. Yeah, that's what they had details. They had Miss Glam on it. So it's got, I like the way the brushes got Boxy Charm, eyeshadow, PL5. And this one right here is, what's it? L3, 4, I'm assuming. I can't really see it because the writing is so light. Y'all know I wear glasses and I can't see all that. But these are the two brushes, and y'all, these brushes together cost $38.58. And now, here we go again. The total is $144.50 that we get in Boxy Charm this time for the. I mean, it wasn't as exciting as the other box. I mean, I really like this box, but it's not as exciting, I think, as the other box, I think. That's just my opinion. But this is what the April Boxy Charm has. I'm ready to see what May is going to bring us. But I just want to jump on here and tell y'all guys about Boxy Charm. I know I do it every month on my channel, and I'm going to try to get back on doing other reviews and stuff. So if any other reviews or boxes that y'all have out there that y'all want me to try, y'all give me, you know, let me know. Let me know in the comment section below, and I will leave the link to this Boxy Charm. Like I said again, y'all, it's $21 a month. You can't beat that because you're getting almost $200 worth of products. And they're not cheap products. They name brand products. So y'all, I'm getting ready to get off here. I love y'all. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see y'all what? in the next video.